Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this 4-channel dash cam. So I've already been using this for 3 months now, and this is a great dash cam to have. I like how you have your 4 different channels. You got your front camera for the front, then your left camera, your right camera, and then even a rear camera. So you can see how the display is nice and big and bright and clear. I like how it has the 2K video quality. So I like how you could change your different modes if you press the M button right here. And then you could change your resolution, your loop recording, exposure, motion detection, record audio, day stamp, G sensor. Then you're also able to set it up as park mode. You can change your date, your time, auto power on, and screensaver. The beep sound, language, frequency, and then to format. You press them again just to cancel, and then once you're ready to record, you press the OK button. And now I'm starting to record. So you can see how clear it is. So let me show you how it looks when we're driving. And you can see how tiny the rear camera is. It has an infrared, so you could use this at nighttime. So this is a great rear camera. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, I like how well that this dash cam works. I like how the video quality is nice and clear. I also like how it has the 4 channels, and the night vision is very good, and the video quality is very nicely.